Okay, so it sent a code to my phone. I have the Microsoft app. And I'm going to approve this request to access my account. There we go. Good thing to have. Prevents people from changing your password if they ever hack in and get your password information. You have to approve it on your cell phone. So in case you're wondering, that's why they ask for your cell phone number. People think it's to track you and stuff. Facebook does it. It's password recovery, and it's one of the most awesome things. People could have my password, log into my account, and if it's from a strange location or a different IP address, then I have to approve it on my phone. If they don't have my phone, they can't change it. So, and protecting your accounts is pretty serious stuff. You really don't want people getting in your email. I've heard of a lady, they got into her email. Not only changed her password so she couldn't get back into it, but they were able, with the documents that were emailed in there, actually change her son's name. So, if that's true, that's pretty scary. And think about it next time. If somebody gets into your email, they've now got access to every account, because odds are you have your email recovery or your account recovery to send an email to your email address. Well, then I could get your Facebook if I had it. I could probably get into banking. Do all kinds of vicious things. So we're currently installing the last couple things here. Very colorful setup. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Probably not as good as I'd like it, but the only way to improve it, I guess, would be to put you straight on so that you can see, because this is a crappy TN panel. And turn lights off, but I'm not doing that. Screen's not all that impressive anyways. It's actually one of the worst displays I've ever seen. But it's cheap laptops, so we'll go from there. Okay, so this is Windows 10 Pro technical preview. Hey Cortana. Does that work? I have no idea how that works. I don't even know if that's the right words to use. Anyways, the new start menu is there. Very cool looking. I like that it has... It's a lot like Windows 7 or XP, but yet still has the Windows 8 tiles that you can organize and share, like stretch to make them bigger. You can actually go full screen, and that takes you back to like a Windows 8 look, which is kind of cool too. And people like that style, and it actually has a tablet mode, but mine, this is a touch screen. So, and you got a power button up top, so you can turn the computer on or restart it right there. Kind of cool that they did that. It still has the, should still have the Windows 8 functionality. Maybe I'm wrong. Well, maybe I'm thinking about the other stuff. I was thinking the Charms menu. Maybe they got rid of the Charms menu. Interesting. Anyways, we're going to go back here, and we're going to go to the, I'm looking for my computer. Let's go, I guess it would have been File Explorer. Oops. Now we'll go Documents. So it's telling me that, yeah, I have the Blu-ray drive, which has the Windows disk, so we'll take that out. So we don't need it in there anymore. And I assume it just installed the video driver, that's why things are flickering. Okay, so in the background, Microsoft is doing its thing and updating the drivers for me, which is nice. And you can see our hard drive, we have our DVD drive, and we have our SSD, which currently has 86.5 gigabytes left out of the 111. As far as I know, we currently have internet access. So we have our Western Digital start key. And I'll put it in the slot. And wow. I hope you guys saw that. That was pretty cool. It just runs a command, I guess, and now it's taking me into wdc.com. It's going really slow. Or not at all. This is interesting. Well, doesn't look like it's going to work. At least right away. Maybe it doesn't recognize the operating system. I'm just going to try and go back to Western Digital's website. Uh-oh. Western Digital's website isn't working. I don't know what's going on here. Let's try a website to update things and see if it comes out. Okay, well that doesn't work for some reason. Let's put Firefox and Chrome on this computer. And I'm probably going to update like Java.net, Air, and Shockwave if it'll let me. This is ninite.com, which is N-I-N-I-T-E, and it's easily one of my favorite sites for downloading basic free programs. It doesn't have, there's no spyware, and it doesn't install any toolbars or any extra programs. It's actually a really good. It's good for updating programs too that you already have on your computer. It'll always install the newest, which is good. I'm going to go through and install Firefox and Chrome. This shouldn't take long at all. I got wicked fast internet here. Well, fast for me anyways, 100 megabit. A little slow for other places in the world, I'm sure. Not that this laptop can do 100 megabit over its wireless card, but it'll be fast enough for it to do this. I'm going to close these and I'm going to just try putting this thing in again and see if it I wonder if it's a flash issue or just... I wonder if it'll load in Chrome if I set Chrome as my default browser and then try it. This is kind of frustrating. As expected. I mean, we are running Windows 10, so things will and will not work. I've had pretty good results on a desktop, so yeah, and I'll just speed this thing up so you guys can skip through it. Okay, so that is finished. Now we'll take the drive back out and we'll put it back in. And we'll see if it loads in Chrome and actually works. Okay, in all fairness, let's be nice to Internet Explorer. Let's load Internet Explorer, give it the same web address. And we'll see if it works. Yeah. So the answer is no. Western Digital, your site isn't compatible with Windows 10 apparently. I'm not exactly sure why, but good old Chrome. Shows up, shows us the drive, data transfer software, power of 2, inspired by you, shift technology, reduce wear and tear, software download required. Software download interconnection run. Please watch our install videos. And we need to find the actual software. So I guess we'll click on installation. And fresh install. We just need the software, guys. Please download the partition. I guess that was what was on the first page. The partition software. Huh.
I know you're eager to start using your WD product. However, it's very important to follow the appropriate steps prior to any software downloads or installation. Our goal is to make your install experience smooth and efficient. Please see our how-to videos on installing your WD Black² dual drive. And thanks for choosing WD.
Okay. So apparently they want me to watch videos.
Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your current PC hard drive with your WD
Yikes.
Black² dual drive. Before we get started,
About 12 minutes.
please be aware of two very important facts. One, that the WD Black² dual drive requires that your PC be 9.5mm hard drive compliant or your new drive will not fit. And two, this video is for those of you looking for a clean OS installation. Cloning is covered in a separate video. So let's...
Okay, well let's download the partition software. Okay. Installing the software, it's 22.2 megabytes. That's the newest version. And that's downloaded. We'll click run. No clue if this will run at all in Windows 10. Apparently it boots up, so it's better than the website. We'll just see if it does its thing correctly. Click check for updates, add the latest version. We'll click install. And then we have a legal agreement, like with everything in this world. Next. And it tells me there's the version, Western Digital, proceed. And apparently now it's installing. Creating a new partition. I hear the drive being accessed. And it's been successfully installed, so it tells me that I have a new local drive E. So let's go check that out. File Explorer. That's not what I want. This PC. There we go. Local drive E, 931 gigabytes, which is the size of 1 terabyte as Windows sees it. So now, basically I'm going to want all my, there's a way to change your videos under location. We're going to change everything here to the letter E. And we're going to click move. Whoops. What in the world has happened here? I guess we're going to click apply. So the folder does not exist. Would you like to create it? Yes. Do you want to remove all your old files to the new location? Yes. So that is videos. I want to move everything over. Oops. We will close this for now. Pictures. Properties. Oh, what did I just do? This helps if you click on it first. There we go. Location. And change the C to an E. And click apply. Yes. Move everything. Yes. There's nothing on there right now, but I definitely don't want it staying on the SSD. Properties. Location. E. Apply. Yes. Yes. And what else we got left? Music. Location. E. The reason I'm doing it is because the SSD is so small. Anything I save or transfer to the computer in those folders is going to eat up far too much space. And I would probably prefer it. Your movies and stuff don't need a lot of speed. Mostly programs. So the programs will still be on the SSD as much as possible. Okay, so that's that. Desktop I'm going to leave only because if I have important stuff on there and maybe the hard drive doesn't conk out, but whatever. We'll see. So that's that. Now we're going to want to go to Windows Updates. This is interesting because we want Control Panel. So we click on the start, go to Settings. I really don't like this design. I guess it could be worse. I normally prefer the icons, but I mean, if you go System, you get all these options, Display, and there's Cortana. I have no idea how Cortana works. Hey Cortana. No, that works. I don't even know what you say. Maybe I'm just not smart enough to figure it out yet. can save stuff externally. Okay, let's go to Update and Recovery. Definitely want to run Windows Update when I first run. Click on Advanced, and then give me updates from all Microsoft products. Let's go install. And apparently this has got some updates now, so we'll just wait, and you guys will see it when it's done. Okay, a restart's been scheduled. Well, we'll do the restart now. And we'll see how quick this computer is at booting, even though it has to do updates. Yeah, it's hard to judge it on the speed of the updates, because that could be other things slowing it down. Shoot. Okay guys, so that's basically it. The computer is updated. I guess we should probably do one more reboot just to show you guys the speed, the shutdown, even though the hard drive really doesn't have a lot on it, or the SSD, but give it a count. Got a stopwatch? Here we go. Restart. And there we go. So, pretty quick now. And I have the hard drive space that I need to do. And it's of course going to give me all these updates and stuff. It's basically up to date now, and I just need to miss the gadgets though. I wonder if that hack for Windows 7 will work. Might be worth a try. Anyways, yeah. So just, install your antivirus. I recommend Avast free. Again, the easiest way to get it is through ninite.com, which is ninite.com. And I just go through and I pick the programs that I want. TeamViewer is probably the most useful that I use a lot, because I can connect to people's computers and they can connect to me. Image burn. Now I got Oslostics here, but I'll only use it to defrag the big drive, not the SSD. The Skype I've never used. iTunes I never use. VLC and the CCCP codecs. Those are coming in handy. WinRAR in case I need it. OpenOffice, even though I don't use it that often, I do use Google Drive and their Google Docs and stuff like that. That tends to work out better for me. There's Avast. Malwarebytes, good antivirus, or good anti-malware, I should say. And the other one is Spybot Search and Destroy 2. That's a good one. And Google Earth, just for kicks to look at some things. And then of course Google Drive. I have Dropbox and I have OneDrive's already built into Windows 8 and Windows 10, so I don't need to install that. Just click Get Installer. It really doesn't get any easier than this. It saves me so much time. And go through the setup. Anyways, guys, till next time. This has been Jason, Divine Hammer Computers. Have any questions, leave them down below. I will try to get to them. I'm back making videos and responding to comments, and I don't know everything, but if I can help you, I will. And yeah, you get somebody who needs an upgrade to their laptop, I fully recommend a Western Digital dual drive. Fairly easy to set up, as long as you've seen. Wouldn't surprise me if Windows 10, when it's finally out, actually works on that website. It's not really fair to blame a company for it not working when it's not available. And pre-release software is always kind of goofy that way, but I'm liking Windows 10 so far from what I've seen. It's pretty solid. But then again, I like the other operating systems that Microsoft released, and like Vista and Windows 8. I liked them before and people hated them. So maybe your opinion's different than mine, but I think Microsoft's done some good things with Windows 10 and look forward to seeing where it goes from here. Anyways, guys, talk to you later, and check out my other videos and see what you like. Like, subscribe, share, show it to your friends, let them know, ask me a question, I don't care. Hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll talk to you soon.